Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to check your BMW X1 oil level. Unlike many cars, your BMW X1 does not have a traditional dipstick. Instead, it relies on an advanced electronic sensor to monitor the engine oil. You will perform this check directly through the vehicle's iDrive infotainment system. This modern approach provides precise readings and ensures you always have accurate information about your engine's lubrication. To begin, start your BMW X1's engine and allow it to run until it reaches its normal operating temperature. This is crucial for an accurate reading. Next, use the iDrive controller knob located in your center console to navigate the main menu. From there, select the My Vehicle option, and then proceed to Vehicle Status to access the diagnostic functions. Once you are in the Vehicle Status menu, you will see an option for Engine Oil Level. Select this to proceed. The system will then prompt you to measure engine oil level. Confirm this selection to start the measurement process. Please be patient, as this diagnostic check typically takes about 2 minutes to complete, ensuring a thorough and accurate assessment. After the 2-minute measurement, the iDrive display will show your current engine oil level and its status. If the system indicates a low level, it's time to add some oil. Remember, it is vital not to overfill your engine. Add oil in small increments, perhaps 1/4 of a liter at a time, and then remeasure to ensure you reach the optimal level.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.